So when we start to use our crystals on a daily basis, especially if we wear them in our undergarments, it's really important that we start to cleanse them, because although we absorb all the energy and it's helping us, we need to release the negative energy that it's picked up. So what do? I literally take my crystals out every full moon and I place them on the grass, okay, and I leave them out there for the night. I wash them in salt water and I leave them. And I leave Mother Earth to pull all negativity away, and Mother Moon comes in and she just fills them up with her energy. So after the full moon, when I bring the crystal back in, it amplifies it so much. It's amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. And your house will feel so light, your house will feel so clear, your house will feel just vibrating at the properties of the crystals. Now, I also suggest that you place these in the new moon outside, okay? Because the new moon is for manifesting. So the manifesting energies for the new moon go into your healing properties and clear the crystals too. Okay, so I talked to you about placing your crystals outside in the moonlight. Now, myself, I leave my crystals outside in the moonlight for 3 nights, but for 3 days too, because the sunlight penetrates its beautiful energy into the crystals. So you're using Mother Earth, the moon, and the sun to charge and clear your crystals. So another way of recharging your crystals, we love to accumulate crystals, everybody loves crystals. So you can wash them in salt water, leave them in salt water, clear them, then place them on your windowsill, let the sun charge them up. How beautiful. And then what I suggest after that is to meditate with these crystals. Meditate, place them in your undergarment, have them on your third eye, lay down, have one on your crown chakra, have them in your hands. For example, if you have your rose quartz that you've just charged up with your clear quartz, it will be so strong. So once you've recharged and you've cleared your crystals, we meditate with them. And how do we meditate with them? We place them in our hands, we place them on our crown chakras, we place them on our heart chakras, we can place them on our moon chakras, place them anywhere we like. And we set intentions, the healing properties from these crystals to amplify our life. And we close our eyes and we call in any guides you would like to work with, any deities that you'd like to work with, and hold the healing properties in your hands, and you meditate. And you can feel the vibration pulsating through your body.